Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So today let's talk about Bitcoin, Litecoin and Ethereum. Alright, let's do this morning review with all big three. Let's see how they're looking. What are some of the resistance level going up, and what are the potential support that we have to look out for if it start moving down. Alright, so let's start with Bitcoin. Let's go into Bitcoin real quick. So I'm looking at Bitcoin daily. So initially we had this not a massive, but we had a decent drop. Like 10% drop is still not considered massive in crypto, but yeah, we had a drop in Bitcoin due to a lot of rumors that Binance was getting hacked, and the S&P and the Nasdaq was selling off around that time as well. So it kind of created that, that false alarm, if you will, or like, panic sell. And this panic sell doesn't happen due to like traders sitting on their desk and like hitting those sell button like manually. It happens when the levels are broken, when the support levels are broken, when the stop losses get triggered. A lot of them did get triggered around that 20-day moving average. A lot of the algorithms use that 20-day moving average as a getting in and out of the position. So and once those stop losses get triggered, then you have the people who are trying to short the market. They also jump into the wagon, try to make quick money. If they see the opportunity, they will try to jump on it, and it just creates that artificial panic in the market, which we saw yesterday. And we came to that support level right around 9,400. 9,300 is still the support level that I'm watching for. That's a very critical support. So we are taking the bounce right now. We're making we're trying to get over we already are barely over this trend line that we have been watching since the all-time high. We pierced that trend line yesterday. We got underneath that. Now we are trying to get over it. Now what's going to happen is anything that was acting as a support while we are coming down will act as a resistance going up. Okay, simple as that. So all that level, that 9,900 level, the 50-day moving average, then the 10,400, then the 11-day moving average, 20-day moving average, all those things will act as a resistance going up. All right, so again, that's the simplest way to put it out. You wanna keep watch a level. I will not trust any of these bounces. I have said it in the last couple of videos. Until we clear the 11,700 mark, it will be choppy action. Okay, and the thing about choppy action is you can make great deal of money in choppy action. You don't have to get stuck with just buying it, and like you can, if you're buying it low and if you're not an active trader, then yeah, you maybe buy it a little bit lower and buy a smaller position. Maybe keep like 30-40% of the portfolio in cash, especially in like this situation like this. But still, there are plenty of opportunity. When like market dips, the opportunities are a lot of people make good money in this volatile market. Some of my best trades occurred during the volatile market, during that 2008 crash, 2009. Some of my best trading, some of my best return happened during those times. So please do keep in mind that there will be plenty of opportunities that market will provide you that, but you just have to be disciplined enough. You have to get in and out. Don't get stuck with, oh my god, I should have hold on to it. Look, now it starts to go up. If you keep on doing those things, then one of those trades that did not work will come and bite you. Simple as that. It will just come and bite you. So keep it short. Keep it take those periodic profits. A lot of people, bought it at the dips here. You probably want to start putting those stop losses at this point, because we're coming up against the resistance, right? So it's a normal thing to put those stop losses. We don't know. I don't know if it's going to go up It very well might go up, but I don't know. There is resistance over there, and if it comes to resistance, then I do want to put my stop losses to make sure that I'm protecting my position, because we want our portfolio to go in nice steady up direction, not like, you know, zigzag. All right. So we want to keep those things in mind. So for Litecoin, let's look at the for the Bitcoin, let's look at the shorter time frame. So in the 4 hours, it tried to bounce here, but it's still we need something major to like. So yeah, we want to be we want to make sure that it's respecting this trend line, respecting the support trend that we have, and basically staying over that. That's the thing that we really want to watch out for. Okay. You know, the investors' confidence has been shaken up by this, you know, this minor pullback, because we were setting up rather nicely for that breakout toward the upside, toward the potential 12,000 levels, but and a lot of people start questioning, is this like getting manipulated, and so on and so forth. You know, it is what it is. You know, whether you like, you know, ignore it, whether you deal with it, whatever you want to do, but it is what it is. We cannot control it. We should, only thing that we can control is our trade. So we have to just do a better job of controlling our trade, not to control the market. So something that we cannot control, we shouldn't be, you know, thinking like too much about it. But we can obviously, you know, collect those data, we can, you know, analyze those things, and obviously make our trade accordingly. All right, let's look at the Litecoin. So Litecoin again, I'm starting with the lower 4 hour chart right now. It's, you know, that 176 support is holding up so far pretty good. The question is, can we get over this the 190 level? The 190 will be acting as a resistance going up. Then we are gonna see like potential, like the 200 is gonna be acting as a resistance. So so it just needs to take a U-turn. Let's look at the daily. So there are traders that are coming in at that 176 level. So let's see if we can get over it. Is the chart is still, as long as we stay, this is one of the major like support levels. If we can stay over that, that will be quite good, and we can still have that run toward perhaps the 230 marks and 250 in this month. Okay. So again, having a realistic expectations, adapting to what market is giving us, that's the right thing that we can do. Those are the things that we can control. All right, so try to control the things that you can have your input in, rather than something that we are completely, you know, out of the loop in. Okay. So this is a downward trend for intermediate that I'm watching. If we can get over that, that will be very, very good for Litecoin. Maybe around, like, you know, it's probably going to happen around 200. So if we can get over the 200 mark, that will be very bullish. But again, you know, you can buy the positions here, like, you know, it's easy to buy this oversold positions where it comes to the support level, and then you can sell it. So it's if you're an active trader, then it's much easier to do. Okay, let's look at the Ethereum real quick. Okay, so Ethereum was in this nice, you know, pinch action right here, and I was expecting that bounce, but the overall market just sold off. Since then, Ethereum came down. Had a minor sell-off yesterday, trying to figure out the direction right now. There is support, like the 750 levels is a lot of support that happened during that area previously, so that will act as a nice support. So we do want to watch those levels. The next area of support I can see in Ethereum is going to be around maybe 680 levels. So that would be the next area of support in Ethereum to watch out for. Going up, the resistance, the first level of resistance that we're going to occur is going to be around 840 levels. So that will be the first level. Well, 790 will be 790 will act as a resistance as well. 791, that will act as a resistance. So let me change this lines, because anything now that was previously supporting us now will act as a resistance. Alright, so let me add this more lines here, so give you a clear indication on the resistance levels. Alright, okay, alright, so this is Ethereum. The only thing I don't like about Ethereum right now is we need to hold this 685 level. That is very, very critical in order to hold this 685 level in Ethereum, because if you can look at this, it's turning into a head and shoulder pattern, not the reverse head and shoulder, just the regular bearish head and shoulder. If that's a big if we break that 685 level, that will be so we want to make sure that we are holding on to those support levels. Okay, this market will give you a lot of opportunities, so make sure whatever the profits you're taking, you are making those quick profit. And trade right now it have becoming more of a trader's market, where you get in and out of your position fairly quickly, get those 3-4% profit, get in, get out, rather than just holding on to it for long term. So that was 2017, but as I said, this is not your 2017 market, and it won't be. So you have to adapt to this market. There is plenty of money that you can make, all right, but we need to make sure we trade on probabilities, and we adapt to the market. Okay, alright, so that's all, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit those notifications, those bell icons. I post this content every day. And if you think this is helping you with your trading, if you're learning it, if you want me to continue doing this video reviews every morning, then please give me a thumbs up, and I will keep on doing this for you. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye.